Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I must start off by saying thank you to all my new subscribers. It's very much appreciated. I'm creeping up to the 700 mark. Still a long way to go to the 1,000. So if you're watching this video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and then it'll help my channel grow. Because the more subscribers you get, the more views you get. Because YouTube seems to put your videos out there more. So today we're looking at this Rail Adventure Class 43 rail pack. I got this from Bure Valley Railways in their Black Friday sale. And at the time it was a great price. I paid £255 and £5 postage, so 260. Because the retail price was about £350. So I didn't think I'd get it any cheaper. So I went and purchased it. But it just shows that that time of the year, you can get better deals in the January sales. Because Hornby have had this out now for £217, which is a real saving on their RRP. But you win some, you lose some. Unfortunately, this time I lost. But that doesn't matter. Because I've mainly won. So people might be laughing at me now, but I don't mind. It helps Bure Valley Railway as well, because it's like a heritage railway there as well. So all their sales, a portion of it goes towards the upkeep of the railway. Right, enough of me waffling on. We'll take a look at this Class 43 pack. I have noticed that these Class 43 packs, they're in the polystyrene. They're not in the ice cube packaging. Suppose that's saving Hornby money as well. At the end of the day, they've got these already made. Comes with the normal paperwork. I'll go through every page. This is showing you where you can put the added extras on. But this train, it's got the buffers already, but these pipes that you can fit. And this is showing you the decoders. Needs 2 decoders to work on DCC for the lighting effects. But the lighting does work on DC. And there's working fans as well. I've had people tell me that the fans they cause the motors to burn out because the grease that's inside them is really sticky. It's like gunk, and you're either best to clean that out or to disconnect the fans altogether. One of my subscribers, he told me that his fan was really clogged up, and he asked Hornby just to give him a clean fan to fit, and they wouldn't do it. They wanted these local back. I'll probably just disconnect them once I get around to fitting the DCC decoders. It does come with this little goodies bag that's got false Buckeye couplings that you can put in the back, and then it's got the pipes that you can fit to the front of it as well. To me, these just get in the way half the time. I never fit them. If you go to sell the locomotive on, it's better to have the spares in the little package here that you've not actually used, and then let the next person decide if they want to put them on or not. They just get in the way, they get caught, and they just cause you more problems really, unless you're going to have a static locomotive. There's holes in the back of the power and dummy car to get them out, so I'll be doing that off camera because it's not easy to do it on camera and hold my phone. The bottom loco in the pack is the dummy car, so this is the one I've got out just now. You can see it has these buffers. They are sprung loaded. And separately fitted window wipers there as well. You got separately fitted handrails, 2 on the front door and 1 on the guard's door. This is Rail Adventure. I do like them with the buffers. I just wish Hornby would put a coupling at the front. But I suppose you could glue a name pocket in the bottom to fit in a coupling. What I'll do with this coupling, I'll take this out and put with one of my magnetic couplings to couple to any coaches that I've got or any stock that I'm moving. See, it comes with rotating fans, but there's a problem with the fans, so I'll probably disconnect them. I say you could probably glue on an end pocket there. Not on the frame detail. Say the tail coupling isn't connected to the bogies, it's connected to the chassis itself, which makes for better running. Right, I'll get out the power car and have a look at that. It's quite difficult getting these out of the boxes because they're quite tight in there. You have to be very careful that you don't break any parts. It's very sunny outside today, so I'll apologise for the shadows. If I put my flash on my phone, it eats the battery. I'm trying to get this completed so I can upload it. I say it comes with the the buffers sprung loaded and separate fitted windscreen wiper. This has got working lights, so they're meant to work in DC, so I'll be testing that. Alright, I'll get this on the test track and we'll test it. As you can see, the lights work. Notice the fans aren't working in this one, but they're working in that one. So that shows that they are gunked up. And the red lights work. The tail lights. So it's basically just that fan problem which I've been told about. So I need to disconnect that. When I come to put the DCC decoders in, it's really bad that Hornby's quality control hasn't sussed this out, especially when people tell them about it. I've seen videos of people that saying about it, and it's just terrible, the stuff that's inside there. It's like sticky tar. It's not grease at all. So that's a job for me to do when I go to put the decoders in, is to sort out the fans on the power unit. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll get this uploaded, and hopefully you'll have some interest in this Real Adventure HST pack. Thank you very much, and as I said, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It'll help my channel grow. I'll get my videos seen more, because YouTube will start to pump them more out there in suggestions. Okay, bye for now, and everyone take care.